Here we will understand the layout mode feature. There are two layout modes available: exam standard and normal. First, let's look at exam standard mode. This mode is designed to mirror real examination question papers. In this format, every question is printed as a complete block. If a question does not fit at the bottom of a column or page, the entire question automatically moves to the top of the next column or next page. This means there are no mid-question splits. The question and its option always stay together, making the paper cleaner and easier to read, just like official competitive exam papers. Now let's see normal mode. The normal mode follows a newspaper style content flow. Here, long questions can continue into the next column or even the next page. This helps utilize space effectively and reduces unused white space in the document. You can clearly notice the difference here. Currently, this is normal mode. You can see that the question starts in one section while the options continues on to the next page. This is called split layout. Now switching to exam standard mode. Here you will notice there are no splits. The complete question and all its options remain together in one continuous section. This format matches the standard followed in most competitive and academic examination, ensures a professional and exam read layout.
Create professional aligned exams with question paper alignment. Visit our website and subscribe for more.